Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Theta organization is exchanging at 93 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.02% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. In opposition to mainstream thinking, Theta has an exceptionally complete market cap of $934,466,155 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,280,301 in a by and large huge manner. This especially makes Theta organization positioning at 50 in the digital currency market amazingly. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization by and large be certainly worth in 2023 incredibly? Is Theta organization a by and large wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will Theta cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, or so they generally thought? These in a real sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Theta cost certainly is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of $1.22. The normal genuinely least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to for the most part be $1.18 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Theta can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $1.32, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta organization value gauge May 2023. The Theta organization value for May 2023 may by and large arrive at a sort of least worth of 86 cents, while the truly greatest gauge cost especially is around 98 cents in a kind of significant manner. The sort of typical cost for Theta in a real sense is basically anticipated to generally reach 95 cents in May 2023, showing how Theta organization value gauge May 2023. The Theta organization value for May 2023 may especially arrive at a very least worth of 86 cents, while the essentially greatest estimated cost generally is around 98 cents. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Theta organization value sort of is estimate to sort of arrive at an outright lease cost of 96 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Theta cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $1.03 with the typical expected cost around 99 cents. Theta organization value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Theta organization really is explicitly anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $1.03, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $1.07 and a for the most part least of $1, exhibiting that these in every practical sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta as future, or so they especially thought. Theta organization value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Theta organization sort of is truly anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $1.06, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $1.11 and an especially least of $1.02. Theta organization value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Theta organization could for the most part stretch around $1.15, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in September 2023 really is $1.06 with a typical cost of $1.11 in a for the most part significant manner. Theta value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization by and large is determined to really be at around a base worth of $1.11, which truly is genuinely huge. The Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $1.21 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.15 in USD, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value conjecture November 2023. The Theta organization cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at a genuinely least worth of $1.14, while the kind of greatest gauge cost certainly is around $1.27 in an unpretentious manner. The very normal cost for Theta especially is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach $1.18 in November 2023, exhibiting that Theta organization value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Theta organization cost most certainly is gauged to explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, least cost of 96 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization cost for December 2023 may generally arrive at a by and large least worth of $1.18, while the most extreme determined value sort of is around $1.32 in an unobtrusive manner. The really normal cost for Theta by and large is somewhat anticipated to reach $1.22 in December 2023, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost essentially has shown a very decent increment of 3.32% as of now, exhibiting that Theta value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is determined to be at around a base worth of $1.11, which in every practical sense is very huge. In every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Theta especially was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.28%, which generally is very critical. Theta organization in a real sense has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be very great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta sort of diminished by 19.303%, wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of 22 cents from its really current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a decent really purchase and open door for by and large fast interest in an especially significant manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 11.34%, and the cost certainly coursed from a base really normal cost of 97 cents to most extreme sort of normal cost of $1.06 in the especially beyond 90 day, which certainly is very critical. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, Theta organization explicitly has shown a developing pattern in an essentially enormous manner. In this way, we certainly believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period in a kind of large manner, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is expanded from 4 months. Further appearance how Theta value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization in a real sense is estimated to basically be at around an all things considered, least worth of $1.11, which basically is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, especially further appearance how the Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $1.21 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $1.15 in USD in a quite huge way. The coin explicitly is up by 19.31% with the sort of greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin really was around 78 cents, and the fundamentally least lovely typical cost of in every practical cent was around 76 cents and genuinely beyond 4 months. Or so they basically thought. Theta organization value figure 2023 FAQs. What will be Theta organization especially worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Theta cost for the most part is estimated to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $1.32 with sort of least cost of $1.18 toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Does Theta organization in a real sense have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Theta organization basically has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of enormous manner basically. It certainly is